Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If you are trying to sign in to Microsoft Office, Teams, or Outlook in Windows 11 and receive an error stating your computer's trusted platform module has malfunctioned, your device's security keys have fallen out of sync with your Microsoft account. I will show you exactly how to clear these broken keys and fix this login error right now. Let's get started. First, the most common fix is to completely sever the corrupted authentication connection between your computer and your organization's Microsoft servers. Open your Windows settings, navigate to Accounts on the left sidebar, and scroll down to click on Access Work or School. If you see your Microsoft 365 or school email address listed here, click on the account, select Disconnect, and confirm the removal. Do not worry, this does not delete any of your files or emails. It simply forces Windows to request a fresh security token the next time you log in. Next, your internal Windows Credential Manager might be holding on to old broken passwords that are actively blocking the TPM from securely authenticating. Open your Windows Start menu, type Credential Manager into the search bar, and press Enter to launch the Control Panel applet. Click on the Windows Credentials tab on the right side of the window and scroll down to the Generic Credentials section. Look for any entries that start with Microsoft Office 16 or MS Teams. Click the down arrow to expand each one and select Remove to securely delete the broken tokens. Finally, if you are still receiving the malfunction error, you must clear the Trusted Platform module itself to factory reset its cryptographic keys. Open your Start menu, type Windows Security, and launch the built-in application. Click on Device Security on the left sidebar, click the blue Security Processor Details link, and then click on Security Processor Troubleshooting. Click the Clear TPM button, confirm the security prompt, and allow your computer to completely restart, which will permanently resolve your Office 365 login errors. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.